I am going to try Bandit in OverTheWire. So I am going to level first. It is asking us to do SSH. Bandit 0 at Bandit 0. Okay. When I did SSH, I didn't capture my SSH command. It was SSH Bandit 0 the user and host name and then port and port number, right? It will be used to log into the system. Okay, 0 to 1. It is saying that the password for the next level is stored in a file called readme. Okay, we can use ls to list the content in the directory, home directory, and then I am going to read this file, readme file, and we can't expose the password, so I'm going to, you will have to check the password and log into the next level. Let me do SSH bandit 1. Okay, I'm going to change the username. Okay, and password. Okay, and it is saying the password for the next level is stored in a file called dash located in the home directory. So you can see the dash. You will not be able to open this file just with cat, right? See, it can't be opened, so you will have to use like cat and dash, then it will be open. You can take the password and log into the next level. Okay, I logged into level 2. Now I am going to check level 2 to 3. The password for the next level is stored in a file called spaces, like spaces in this file name. Okay, here there's a file, there are spaces in the name, so we can type s and then it will fill the file name automatically. Okay, you can take the password from this file and then log into the next level. Okay, now I am going to check how to get the password from level 2, 3 to 4. The password for the next level is stored in a hidden file in the in here directory. Okay, let's do ls. Then I'm going to navigate into here. You can't see any file here, so I'm going to do long list all. I'm going to list all. See, here is a file called hiding from you, so you can open this from cat and copy this name and then open the file. You can take you can get the password from this file and then log into the next level. Okay, now we are in level 4 and we have to check level 4 to 5. The password for the next level is stored in only human readable file in the in here directory. There's a directory called in here, then I navigated and list. There are 9 files, so we have to check which file is human readable. So okay, you can see only the human readable file is this one, file 7, right? So you can do file file 7. You can open the file and then uh, get the password and log into next level. Okay, I logged into level 5. Let me check what we have to do to get level 5 to 6. It is saying the password for the next level stored in a file somewhere under in here directory and has all these following properties: human readable, there's a directory in here, then there are 19 directories, so we can't go through all 19 directories and check for the file. So what we can do is find it's a file, sorry, file, and size, it is saying this much and not executable. Okay, only this one is, this dot file 2 is the one which matches to our requirements, right? So let me open this file and get the password, and you will have to open this file and then get the password to log into next level. The password for the next level is stored somewhere on the server and has all the following properties: owned by user Bandit 7, owned by group Bandit 6, and 33 bytes in size. So let me find in root directory and then user Bandit 7, group Bandit 6, and size 33 Bandit. Okay, all permission denied. Here is the password. From this command we had all the things listed. So if you want to have only the file, we can do like this, and then it will just list the one we need to have, right? It will drop out all other things which are permission denied. let me open this file and take the password to next level.